Hello! I just love how these little flowers turned out, and I can't wait for you to give it a try. To start off, you need to pierce your card using the fine awl. That's the walnut with the green cap. If you need more info on that step, I'll link the getting started video on the top right hand corner and in the video description below. One step that I need to mention before we start stitching is that the center hole of the flower and the third down the stem need to be enlarged slightly. We will be running multiple threads and it will be more comfortable to give them more room. So we do that by taking our awl and just turning it a few times, stretching out the hole. This little flower is made up of 4 stitching techniques. We will start from the bottom and work our way up. The stem will use stem stitch. Next, the leaves are straight stitches. The petals are detached chain stitches. And finally, the center of the flower is a French knot. Okay, let's get stitching. We will be using all 6 strands for this project. Go up from the back, leaving about 1/2 inch of thread. We will be securing it as we build more stitches. Skip hole 2 and back down hole 3. Now come back up hole 4 and down 2. Okay, now go up through hole 5 and down 3. We are done with the stem. The leaves are very simple. It's 3 straight stitches per leaf. Just make sure you don't add too much tension and you spread out the stitches at the center of the leaf shape so they look more like leaves. Okay, now to the fun part. These little petals really bring the flower to life and it's so easy. So your pattern has red and black dots to indicate the holes. Go up from one of the black holes and go back down the same hole, leaving a small loop. The loop should be on the smaller end. If I had to give it a size, I would say slightly smaller than 1/4 inch. Now go up the red hole that's inside the loop and through that loop and back down the center hole. I hope the visual is more helpful than me trying to explain this step. It really is quite simple. You should have your first petal done. Do those steps 4 more times and we are almost done. Through the center of the flower. Wrap your thread around the needle 2 times. Go back down the same center hole. Hold on to the thread on the left. As you pull on the back side, also gently pull on the top side. Adjust your petals using a needle or your awl. Secure your thread to some of your surrounding stitches. Trim all the ends and we are done. I hope you had a lot of fun stitching up that little flower. I know I had a lot of fun working on it. So if you would like to watch more tutorials, please follow along and subscribe. Thank you for your time and have an awesome day. Bye.